up here at daylight. Got the camera on. I don't know if you can see this. The sun's behind my back. Coming up. I got a lot of fog. Throwing a top water. I just got clobbered again. I think it's just another jack. They are just knocking the fire out of this bait. I think they're a small ballyhoo. Yep, another small jack. There's a jack crevalle. These little jacks are active here right at daylight. He ain't too happy either, so these are fighting little critters right here. Alright, see ya, sucker. Well, how well you can see this critter, it's a bluefish. I don't see these up here too often. That's what's been jumping out of the water here before daylight and slapping all of this bait up here. He's about 20. Nice looking fish. Up here early. I got fog out here this morning. I'm throwing a mirrodine, trying see if I can catch some of these trout. It's a little cool up here this morning. There's a nice one right there. It's about 16, 17. Nice critter. On the old magic dean. There's a sunrise speckled trout. If you'll hold still for a second for a profile with a couple of twofers. 17 inches. Nice. See ya. Oh, there we go. Oh, I can tell what that was. Whoops, I still don't know. Whatever it was. Oh, there we go. Here. Here, throwing in this mullet school. Got a redfish, I think. A little rat red. I got a ton of mullet up here. Huge school, hundreds of fish. And there's a thing about these old redfish. They like to get in the middle of those schools. That's a nice fish right there. About he's 20. Throwing a skitter walk this morning. The brim color, brim orientation. This water right here is about 20 inches deep. It's a pretty fish. There's a 19-inch red up here early. Well, it was nice and clear when I came up here. And I mean to tell you, it has gotten foggy now. Can't see nothing. Nice little rat red up here. Big old mullet school I'm fishing on. All right, buddy. Catch on the flip. There he is. How many times are these snook gonna hit this thing? Alright. Oh man, not again. I got it this time. It's a snook. Oh, I'll tell you what. I got much luck today. I'm losing everything. Everything. Yep, got something on. It's a trout, it is. Up here in the bay on a Mirrodine. Little 15-inch trout. Hold still, buddy. A one finger. Pretty little fish.